So muna lang pool guys oh. Yo guys, since vacation makaroon bakasyon sa mga bata, walay klase, so nang ato silang i-tad-on sa mag-camping me. So maniminin nyo guys kay para ma-expose sila sa outdoor. So kaya kung namagod sila sa balay, magsiga sila cellphone, gadgets, so kinala na sila outdoor para at least na sila may balaan pa. Okay? So maniminin nyo guys This is going to the Hilayan, and you can see both sides are the Del Monte plantation. The right side, as you can see, they're preparing, they're prep the field or the area, and the left side it's just the same. We're going to Mountain Pine Spring Resort.
That's a steep hill.
That's so far. Okay naman siya. Murag kaya naman siya sa 4x2. Pero look at the view. So nani kini siya din karon kay kaulan man. Pero okay na ba ang dalan kay ila man gi overlyhan o
Photo. Photo. Wait. Perfect time. Perfect time. Wait. Perfect time.
Di kaya ra. Ano siya na dapat pagbay pa rin sa kanan.
So steep hill. That's a steep hill.
At the view.
Buddy, this is like your farm. But there's no mud.
Yup.
This is like your farm, but there's no mud.
Should have brought your pickup
I
there.
swear, do not go up there. Do not go up there.
Pala nag-pick up tayo.
Okay lang.
If we use the pickup, this would be way better.
Yeah. Kawawa naman na my car.
I think this is his first time being in the Philippines, but Dahilayan. No, I've been to Dahilayan.
Okay.
Cool.
Muli lang area din guys. Sila yung mga cabin. Pwede mo mag-rent silang cabin. So now, silang mga cabin. Daga silang mga cabin din. Pwede po mo mag-pitch yung tent din eh. So, naka sa inyo kung asa mo mas comfortable. Rent ba mo cabin or dapat sila yung pool din eh guys. Luwag ilang parking area din eh. Nag nami kalan. So, galing lang kami sa CR din eh. Okay ba yapon? Nagsuga akong dito. Sila kayo mo balaka sa kuan kay naman sila kuryente din eh. Sit up na mo karon oh. Diba? Okay kayo?
I like rap.
So?
I like the rapper with tattoos. The rapper with tattoos. The rapper with tattoos and tattoos.
Lagi ganun. Dali ka naluto lagi. Ay, kanil.
Ready na mong panihapon mga idol? Oh, rice. Barbecue. Okay. So mo ni among bed karon, nami sulod sa tent. Nami airbed. These are my children. Oh. Happy kayo sila mga idol kay murag taon-taon na po may gula ka kampong. So, good night guys. See you tomorrow.